So if you really wanted to be ambitious and play that, so like just the top part and of the so it's A, D, E, and then C, D, B. And, you know, I was trying to work out a way to play it with the bass line, which is going A, C, E. I think different octaves, but, and the hardest part is getting it to go to sustain, but with enough reverb and maybe a little echo, you could kind of make it work. And then, and the trick that I'm using to pull that off is that I'm playing the C's at the 8th fret of the E strings with kind of a hinge bar, and then second finger at the 10th fret, and then fourth finger at the 12th fret of the B, so that then I can just hinge bar the first finger off the E string. This is the hard part. If you really wanted to get jiggy, oh wait, hold on a second. Now we're on to something. Except you need the open A string. Oh shit. Oh, that would have been so great. Anyway. I could do it that way. I still probably wouldn't, but it's kind of interesting. And then the other thing that if I really wanted to try to figure this out, I might take it down an octave. Ooh, I kind of like that. Okay, now we're in business. Okay, but I gotta get some. I want to hear that. That I just kind of like the texture of. So, where am I putting that finger? Oh, hold on a second. Nope. Can't do it. So that I don't hate. So that's kind of neat. Is like I played A and then A, D on the D and G strings, and then the open E string because it helps me transition to the next chord. And then I'm basically just barring the first finger across the 3rd fret, and then I'm holding the octave C at the 5th fret, and then I pluck C, C, and then D at the 3rd fret of the B string, and then the open, or sorry, B at the 4th fret of the G. And that's kind of cool because then you actually do get, you have, when you play that chord, you have all three of those notes ringing out over each other. You get the C on the A string, and then, the B on the G string, and then the D on the B string. And then you just hit the low E. It helps to play rest strokes with the thumb. like that. And I would probably do a little slur kind of slide to the C chord just to make it musical. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You have to put the first finger down deftly. I'll show you that in a second. But here's the right hand. Sounded like crap, but if you do, and then you slide here, and while that E string rings out, you put the first finger down on the A string, but don't bar it just yet, right? So you go and 4 and then right when you come with the fourth finger, I think you can bar. Or maybe go like that. Bar. That might work. I like that best of all. And then again a rest stroke with the thumb on the E string, because then it'll mute that C. Oops, I played it in the wrong order, but shoot, sorry. C, C, D, B, E. Come on, see both hands. And A, D, E, C, C, D, B, E. That works for me. I like it. I actually just left that time just by accident. I left my third finger on the D string, and I like that just for pure convenience and kind of comfort and ease. That works. So yeah, when you play that rest stroke on the E, it mutes the C, so it so you don't have that bass note ringing out. All right, give it a shot.